Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the 5 best wallet and card holder in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on quality, performance, price and more. If you're looking for a wallet and card holder that provides ease of use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these wallet and card holder, you can check out the description below. Let's get started. At the number 1 we have the Core Men's Slim Wallet Carbon Fiber Money Clip. Core Men's Slim Wallet offers the first built-in, removable, carbon fiber money clip. Wallet is handcrafted using full-grain leather, the best grade of cowhide, for durability, comfort and style. Smart Pull tab allows you to instantly access up to 8 credit cards in a flash, without having to dig. Center card pocket holds up to 8 cards, and is lined with certified RFID blocking material. Stops all unwanted smart chip scanning, a chip found on most new credit cards, and keeps your credit cards safe from unwanted scanning identity theft. Exterior pocket for 2 frequently used cards. Money clip is military-grade carbon fiber, strong as steel, lighter than plastic, and is removable, sliding in and out of the wallet easily. Money clip can be used with, or without the wallet, when all you need is some cash and a few cards. Designed to carry up to 20 bills, folded in half. Magnetic money clips fail to function at 8 to 10 folded bills. Slim wallet is 4 inches by 2.75 by 1/8. 10.1 centimeters by 7 centimeters by 4 millimeters when empty. Holds up to 10 cards and 20 bills, folded in half. All Core products carry a 30-day money-back guarantee and 1-year warranty. This product is patent pending. At the number 2 we have the TRU VIRTU Wallet Click and Slide Leather. The TRU VIRTU Click and Slide wallet is not much bigger than a credit card. With a touch of a finger and without opening it, a maximum of 5 cards, mix of max. 4 embossed and 1 flat cards slide out automatically in staggered form. Thanks of the clever one-touch technology, the click and slide is very easy to use with just one hand. The inner aluminium case protects your cards against illegal data theft of NFC, RFID chips and demagnetization. The leather envelope made of the finest Italian leather offers additional space for extra cards, business cards and banknotes, and has the additional advantage that tap and go Metro access cards can be used conveniently. Made in Germany. At the number 3 we have the Keysmart Urban Passport Wallet. Keysmart made waves with its key holders, but now the company is aiming to make new ones with a collection of wallets, 3 of which are offered here. They're made with premium Tectuf leather and rigid card barriers to keep your cards in place. The Urban Slim Wallet, the smallest in the lineup, has an easy slide thumb slot for quick card access and a tile slim pocket for cash. The Urban Bifold Wallet is larger. Styled like a classic bifold, it has a quick ID pullout and space for plenty of cards and cash. Finally, the Urban Passport is a world traveler's dream. It comes with dedicated space for a passport, boarding pass, and more for quick access in the security line. At the number 4 we have the leather RFID Minimalist Wallet. While other RFID wallets for men are too bulky for your front pocket, destroy your credit cards due to the wrong RFID frequency, or their color and look worsen quickly, the Lafata Minimalist Wallet is made of 100% Crazy Horse genuine leather, which is known for its durability and soft feel. Our smart design fits easily in your back or front pocket without bulging or the constant fear of identity theft. No one likes having wallet-shaped lines on their suit or jeans. Your priorities are important. You want to look and feel stylish and important anywhere you go, have easy access to all your IDs and credit cards, or just protect yourself from digital pickpocketing and identity theft. The perfect gift for a loved one. If you are looking for a great gift that has an innovative life-improving factor, then you would love our limited edition men's bifold minimalist wallets, 4.15 x 3 by 0.65 inches. The sleek 4 colors black, blue, brown, cognac are vibrant even after years thanks to Crazy Horse genuine leather and the handmade workmanship offered by our designers. We included a free e-book to help you increase money saving and spending management skills. Make someone happy. At the number 5 we have the Zenlet 2 Slim Aluminum RFID Blocking Wallet. Outsmart all conmen and digital thieves, protect your sensitive credit card info from any threat with the Zenlet Premium Ultra Slim Card Holder Wallet for men with advanced RFID blocking technology. Organize your credit cards like a pro. The auto card arrangement system combined with the fuss-free one-handed slide and unique tilt angle will offer you instant access to all your credit cards. Say goodbye to bulky bifold or trifold wallets. Does your leather bifold wallet weigh you down with its inconvenient size? Replace your bifold wallet with a hyper-slim, 9mm thin RFID card holder. Get your Minimalist RFID card holder 100% risk-free. In the improbable case that you are not 100% thrilled with your RFID blocking wallet for men, we promise to issue a full refund on the spot.